Langley. Langley. Ugada de Majama, Ugada de Majama. Langley. Langley. Ugada de Majama, Ugada de Majama. Langley. Langley. Ugada de Majama, Ugada de Majama. Langley. Langley. Ugada Majama, Ugada Majama, Langley, Langley. Ugada Majama, Ugada Majama, Langley. Ugada Majama, Ugada Majama, Langley, Langley. Ugada Majama, Ugada Majama. Langley, Langley, look at that, Majama Langley, the kangaroo. Talks about the three types of kangaroo. The red-skinned one, he likes the open desert country areas. The grey one, he likes the bushy areas. And the yellow one, he likes the mountain areas. The three types of kangaroo. You understand their natural behaviour patterns, you have to know your country. The next one I'll sing about Yelly Yelly, one of our Dreamtime stories of a creation story. How a rainbow serpent created the mountains, rivers, streams, plants and animals, medicine, and especially language to each land she passed through. The people led the language in their songs and dance and was able to look after the land for many years to come. Then she went back to the sky. She created the Milky Way with a mapping system. So you know exactly where everything is and why things are put there in certain places. And also, months and calendar dates, so we know exactly where to have to farm our country in a different way, unlike today. We do stick fire farming. By doing that in certain places, certain time of season, we regrow everything back again. Nothing was damaged, unspoiled soil with the way we farm. This one, yeah. Right back,